A very good morning to one and all present here. I am Dr. K.A. Segar, IST Chapter Secretary and Coordinator of this FDP. At the outset, I welcome you all for this one-week online faculty development program on online teaching tools for the educators. At the outset, I would also like to thank our principal, Dr. K. Sudhagar, our head of the departments, and other faculty members for permitting us to conduct this FDP. I would like to thank the IST Tamil Nadu section, its chairman Dr. A. Sankarasubramaniam, the secretary and other section managing committee members and other executive committee members for sponsoring this one-week online FDP. This is our second FDP during this lockdown. Last June, we conducted one-week online FDP on ICT tools in teaching and learning. Nearly 800 participants participated in that FDP. So this year also we are conducting this FDP and we are having around 800 plus participants in this FDP also. So many of the participants who undergone the training in the last FDP also participating this time. I wish to inform you that there are a lot of new materials, new tools and techniques are included in this FDP. This is not what we already did in the last June. Okay, so you will get more new tools and techniques in this FDP. So in this FDP, we used a lot of recorded demonstration of tools and techniques, and in some places we used the YouTube videos available with a Creative Commons license. So we would like to thank those creators of that YouTube videos also here, and we wish to inform you the participants that this program is having more new tools and techniques than the last time, so you will get more excited while you are attending the program. You will get interest while you practicing the tools. Due to large number of participants, we created two different websites, and we have enrolled the 890 participants into two different website groups. Okay, but the contents are similar. The Telegram group is common, the email ID is common. If you have any queries, any doubts, any issues, kindly drop email to mpcfdp@gmail.com. We will try to reply you at the earliest. And another important feature of this FDP is, unlike the other online FDPs through Zoom and other online platforms, where the participant had a little scope for their hands-on training, but here the programs are designed that the participants are expected to practice in the demonstration video shows, and there is no time limitations. They can do as their own comfort, and whenever they are free they can do that. There is no live activity, so this will give more flexible to the participants. So we expect that all the assignments, all the quizzes and all the peer review assessment, the participants will be able to complete within the time frame. So please don't worry if you are not able to complete the assignment of that particular day. You can carry it on to the next day also. So we are not going to close the links of the assignments or the quiz links and all. So we are designed such that only the day and previous day contents are visible. The next day content cannot be seen. So the previous day contents also visible, so you can complete the pending works also. If you have any query or clarification or any issue, don't hesitate to contact us. You can contact through our email ID and Telegram group. We will write here to help you. Convey our thanks to your management, principal, HODs and other faculty members for permitting you to attend this FDP. I wish you a happy learning. Thank you.